Well, we are not going to stay another night here at Rockhound, although the winds have completely subsided, so that's good. But the campground with those ridiculous reservation people who don't show up can't guarantee us a night tonight with electric. So we are hooked up, and I think we're gonna head towards Roswell, where Bottomless Lakes campground is. It really has been beautiful here, but honestly, with the way they're doing the camping reservations these days, makes it difficult for us travelers to find nice spots.